in Wrapstyler 2D view, a red cross can sometimes be displayed on a pattern and its clones. This red cross indicates that some parameters have been modified and that the model is no longer up to date. For example, when the thickness of a material is modified, the unfolded pattern no longer matches these material characteristics and must be updated. To do this, simply select the pattern and click on Update Selected Patterns in Current Sheet. If the material used is not isotropic, that is to say, if its elasticity is not equal in all directions, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal, the direction of a pattern in relation to the grain line will influence the deformation of the trim part. If this pattern is rotated, it will have to be updated, as indicated by the display of the red cross. Modifying certain assemblies, available in the Pro version of Wrapstyler, may also require the update of some patterns, especially when the material used has a thickness greater than 0. Note that the Update function will use the same parameters as when the pattern was first calculated. If you wish to update a pattern with a different precision, you may use the Improve Selected Patterns function.